I don't even know what to say about how much I love and adore Sam's Bead. Quality, quality, quality is all I have to say. And the first month I'm back with them shows me that they love me because my boxes and my favorite, a tone of my favorite color, which is purple. The April 2026 box is called Lavender Love. And I love you too. Let's open it up. So with Sam's Beads, they also sent me some candy, and my favorite candy they put in the box for you. And you will always get in a box what you have in the box and what inspired and I'm not going to read all of this, but that's what this is about. This is what inspired the beads that are in the box. So on the back, you'll have a list of everything that's in the box, which is amazing. And I'm not going to go bead names because that stresses me out. It really does. I just love beads. I don't know, maybe other beaders will be shame on her for not knowing the name of beads. I don't know beads, I just know when they're pretty. So sue me for that. But look at this. Let's start with the purples. Look at that long strand of beads. Aren't these beautiful? I cannot wait to work with this box. And when I get my Sam's Bead Box, behind me is where I stash everything. Sam's Bead Box have their own drawers. They're separate from all of the other because these are quality beads. Quality, 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 like I said in the beginning. Look at this beautifulness. Oh, look at these tulip with the gold etching. Is that gold etching on there? Or am I seeing things? Yeah, there is a little. Oh, those are pretty. See, when I get beads like this, even though I love beading so much and I love making necklaces and stuff, sometimes I get beads like this and I just don't know what to do with them because my creativity is not at that level. So I have a lot of beads like this that are just sitting around. One day I'm going to have to sit down and really, pour through some inspiration on Instagram. I mean, not Instagram, but Pinterest, and try to find something. But look at these faceted beads. And they're all glass. These are not plastic beads. These are not cheap beads. These are beautiful. You can just see the sparkle on them. Those are beautiful. These square beads are beautiful. Love them. And let's go to the green. This is a beautiful match. Purple and green are really complementary of each other. And this is just leaf beads. And they're drilled at the top. Really, really nice. Look at those. Those are beautiful also. And then we have these chip beads. Some beads I just know what they are, and other ones that I don't. So that's why I'm naming some, and some of them I'm not. But these are the smallest chip beads I think I've ever seen. They're almost like seed beads. They're so small. I love it. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I love it. Look at these. Those are beautiful. They're textured, so they're indented just like they look. Nice. These look like emerald, like jade. I'm not emerald, but jade. These are nice jade colored beads. Those are going to be nice with something also. And then we have the creams. And then we have these nice flower beads. Those are cute. Not finished yet. We got, luckily these have names on them so I can tell you what these are. These are dancing flower oval beads, and they are crystal gold. Those are pretty. Look at those. And then we have an agate and quartz amethyst smooth coin pendant. Oh, And it's drilled right there. Wow. That is beautiful. And then we have the Deco Oval Matte Peridot Gold. Ooh, really, really cute. Those are pretty. And these are just findings and connectors and findings, heart connectors. And these could be a pair of earrings right here. You can hang some beads off of it and everything. I might do that. And then we have some oval lilac beads. Look how they sparkle. That's nice. And then we have some table cut pear brioches. Those are cute. And the little birdie on there. Look at the little birdie on there. Is that a bird? Yeah, that's a bird. That is so cute. I like the way, look at the way these are like that on the back, but on the front. That's really nice. I like those. Last but not least, we have some Dirk round. I'm not saying that right. It's Drook, maybe? Drook round beads. And they have a little sparkle to them too. Whoops, I lost one. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. It's just beautiful. And I just have to find some ways to get back into my beading, some ways to get more creativity in for the necklaces and jewelry that I'm making, so that I can showcase the beauty of the beads that I receive. Sam's beads is just, I'm just, you know, speechless just looking at what's in front of me. It's just so beautiful. Well, if it is a subscription box, y'all, and if you are into beading and you want some really quality beads, Sam's Bead Box is the box to go to for the quality. There's a couple of other ones out there that are quality beads too, but I don't get those boxes, so I can't speak for them. All I can do is speak for Sam's beads, and they are amazing. Subscription is $49.95 a month, but you will not be disappointed. What you see here is worth way more than $49, so it is a bargain. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed watching. I'll be back later. I'm going to put this all aside with my Sam stuff and maybe come back and make something with this, because there's so much going on here that I do feel a little bit of creativity, like even for a pair of earrings, a necklace, a 3-strand bracelet or something like that. I see it. So I need to get it together, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to make something with my Sam Bead Box for y'all at a later date, not too far away. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and please make sure you subscribe and like, and so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and love ya. Bye-bye.